I'm sure that you all are excited to know what are these solutions. I have real solutions, don't worry. Consider how we learned our mother tongue. It wasn't through rigorous grammar lessons or translation exercises, right? We learned by listening, imitating, and speaking naturally in our daily environments. So, why can't we adopt a similar approach to learning English? What is stopping us? By teaching our children to think in English directly through immersion, repetition practice, drills, and engaging conversations, we can help them internalize the language. This way, speaking English becomes as natural as speaking their native language, leading to greater fluency and confidence. But how can we practically do it? Yes, we can do it. We can do it by helping our children to polish their English and make them fall in love with their own sound. In this course, we will explore this solution and more in detail. So, see you in the next module. Let's start exploring the solution in detail that will literally change your child's approach to English speaking. Keep watching.